Okay, your question is, back to the question. What do you think is considered the biggest issue facing trans lives?
The biggest issue that trans life is facing, most of the time, it's always a cliche term. They always say discrimination. But actually, discrimination happens to every single sexuality. Mapalalaki, mapanman yan, o workplace, meron talagang diskriminasyon. Pero ang totoo talaga na problema na kinakaharap ng mga transgender, ng LGBTQIA+ as a whole, nag-iisa lang yan, inggit. Kaya hindi nagkakaroon ng unity, hindi na ipapasa yung SOGI bill kasi makita mas magaling yung isa, hugutin ng isa. Ewan ko saan nanggagaling yung puot ng bawat isa sa loob ng komunidad, ng bahagharing komunidad, na pwede namang magmahalan at magsuportahan. Ang sarap kaya, imbis na kainggitan mo, suportahan mo, ba't mo ibababa? Ang pinakamahalagang bagay sa mundo, yung lagi ka lang nakasuporta kasi may oras para sa'yo. Not at all time, that person that who is in the top would definitely be always at the top. But if you supported that person, the moment it is your time to shine, then he will pay it back and support with you in return. That's the reason. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 6. Very well said. Thank you. Ayan. Palakpakan po natin ang ating 6 candidate and their casual